The Philips i9000 electric shaver offers a cutting-edge shaving experience with its advanced triple-action lift and cut system, ensuring a remarkably close shave even in the most challenging areas. Equipped with 360-degree rotating dual steel precision blades, this shaver efficiently tackles hair in any direction, making it ideal for maintaining a well-groomed beard of any length. The innovative SenseIQ technology intelligently adapts to your skin for personalized comfort, providing a gentle yet effective shave tailored to your unique needs. This shaver's flexible and compact heads are designed to conform to every contour of your face, delivering up to 20% more precision in hard-to-reach areas. With its waterproof design, the Philips i9000 allows for both wet and dry shaving, offering versatility and convenience, whether you are at home or on the go. The quick clean pod included with the shaver ensures easy and hygienic maintenance, keeping your device in top condition with minimal effort.